When talking to contractors, we've identified that there's 5 key challenges to achieving a concrete inset balcony, which I'd like to go through with you. Now, the first challenge is forming the concrete downstand on a concrete inset balcony. So at the threshold, there would have to be typically a 75mm downstand performed, which requires bespoke shuttering and additional time taken per floor when casting the overall concrete structure. Challenge 2 is the integration of a thermal break. So a thermal break needs to be installed for all 3 sides of an inset balcony to achieve the Part L compliance. Challenge 3, now this is probably the biggest challenge, is the drainage. So concrete balconies require a gully, and these need to be integrated with an RWP, and these would typically be cast into a concrete balcony. The 4th challenge is waterproofing, and with concrete inset balconies, typically an asphalt or a liquid applied membrane would be used. The 5th and final challenge is the install of the soffits and also the balustrade and fascia. These have to be installed on site after the balcony is cast. As we noted, all of these challenges have impacts on cost and time. Now, there are a number of trades we've mentioned, so the concrete formworkers, the waterproofing contractor, the installation of the decking, the balustrades and the soffits, and all of these can impact the critical path. Now, often the scaffold can't be struck until the balcony is complete, and the scaffold will delay the crane strike as well. So quite often the balconies are actually on the critical path for the project PC. We can simplify these when introducing a glide-on aluminium system. There's a common misconception in the industry that inset balconies need to be done in concrete. Now, the reality is we can do an inset balcony exactly the same way as we do a projecting balcony. So we would use our aluminium glide-on system using an arm and a stub assembly, and glide that balcony in between the facade to create the inset balcony. Now, we work with our clients and our contractors to design in tolerance to allow for the site tolerances with the facade, and we train them on the use of templates to ensure that each balcony fits first time and every time. So please contact us to understand how we can streamline this process on your project.